This is a preview of an animation designed to illustrate the connection between race and wealth. We use the 2010 racial dot map created by the Weldon Cooper Center for Public Service at the University of Virginia. I chose Houston, Texas for the first test. First, we see the overview of Houston's racial dot map from overhead. Next, we do a zoom from south to north to see the city. We can see the blocks that will be the main focus of the demonstration. Notice that the blocks have the racial dot map picture on the top and on the sides. Here, each block grows into a tower that represents the average value of the houses and condominiums in that census block. This data comes from citydata.com. The two tallest towers represent an average value of $1 million per home or condominium. That is the highest category that City Data allows. Therefore, the average value could be $2 million, $3 million, or more per home. The shortest tower actually shrinks. The blocks start at a $100,000 average value. The shortest tower represents a census tract with an average value of $94,000. Now we go back to the overhead view. We'll look at the racial dot maps on top of each tower, moving from the highest property value down. Notice that there is an odd edge to the left of the blocks. It is a transition from the larger dot map to one focused on downtown. This seam will not be present in the final version. These examples allow students to think about the racial differences between wealthier and poorer neighborhoods. In this case, the differences aren't stark dividing lines, but the differences are present. This example also shows how close wealthy neighborhoods can be to areas with much less wealth, and helps us think about how big a neighborhood is. Other areas may demonstrate more of a trussed wall kind of effect. We end with a focus on the towers and an ability to see the neighborhoods that surround them. The plan is to create a more detailed version of this preview. In addition, this demonstration using a few census blocks, along with a view of the surrounding neighborhoods, may be useful because it gives students room to wonder about the dynamics in the other area and guess about those areas.